Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the passwords and security. Now just go to the privacy section, and here you'll see the SIM lock. Tap here, and just to add a SIM pin to your SIM card, just tap once on the switcher and type your password. For example, in my case, this will be from 1 to 4, and just tap to OK. And as can you see, we just successfully add the SIM pin to your SIM card. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.